I was just playing around with some dates, so it always shows today's date for my time zone. I don't have things set up so that if I'm not signed in and I click profile and it does give errors, but I'm gonna redirect those later. This shows if one's signed in or not. I'm not done with this welcome page. So you click sign up. If I put in different passwords, yes, it gives an error. And that does give errors as well. Oops. Success page. The logout does work. See, no user signed in. When I log in, it automatically goes to this page. You can change your name. The fuck? Oh, I forgot these things don't work yet. You can delete your account. Then you go to your dashboard, and then I have actions, and then in this, so you can, I don't have a view all projects or delete yet, but this works, and you can create a new project. Title, you can put in all this stuff. Walls. You can put in all this. I don't know why it doesn't take new lines and format them whenever I display them later. But I'm gonna figure that out later. This does work as well. Add goes back to your profile. It should go back to your dashboard, I guess. So this recent works displays the last 3 works that were created in descending order, or the most recent one at the top. And I actually had to create my own little algorithm for that. That was a bitch. And so I don't really have a view all projects thing yet, but you can click on the recent ones. The display, you know, nice and neat. And then the biggest thing was creating this little task manager. I have a setup so that, don't ask me how long this took, because this took for freaking ever. Like, look, this is the code just to create one of these little things. Don't ask how it works. I don't even know. I know basically how it works. But the way it works is that no matter which one is invalid, so like if I do this, it will display messages for both. If I do, description, but invalid date format, then it'll do that. And if I do invalid date format, but valid description, yeah. And then if I do valid date Oh yeah. That's the date. I have a specific date format with this formatter right here. And then that turns it into a local date object. So yeah. The way this logic is, it will do both error messages. I can't get it to save the inputs, even if, like, if you type it invalidate and a valid description, both of them disappear. I can't get it to where it actually stays, because I've spent so much time on this. I'm not even gonna bother with it anymore. I'm sure there's some way I can do it, but anyway, I'm gonna put in valid stuff here. So yeah, that shows up. So yeah, finally works. And then these tasks attached to this specific project. I have tested that out, but I won't walk you through it, just to save time. Let me see. Yeah, you can delete that. My user does have an one-way encryption. I have a little tool I made to make the encryption, and also to check it when you log in. I'll show you my tables. These are my tables. I don't know why that's there, but yeah. These are tasks which go to the specific project. So yeah, let's see. Oh, it is storing new lines now. That's weird. I don't know how it's not formatting them though. Anyway, if you have questions, let me know.